And if I'm a little bit kind of blah right now, you guys, I've been working all day. I've been up since like 3:30 a.m. and a lot of stuff to do. And I got to get this footage for you guys as well. So I'm really just trying to do the best I can, yeah. All right, y'all, what's up? Your boy is back on the grind one more time. Your boy is back at it again, y'all. And then today's video is actually going to be about the Turbo Regal. As you guys can see, I am actually going to take it in to get a paint correction on it this weekend. So that is nice, man. I've been waiting a long time for this. And my buddy, Steve, the Shine Doctor, man, actually the real Shine Doctor, I believe is his Instagram. I'll put his page right up here somewhere so you guys can kind of see. And you guys go give him a follow, man. He does excellent work. He's definitely a no BS type of guy, and he puts it all out there, you guys. Like he really loves his craft, and he loves what he does, and man, and he's really good at it. So I'm really excited. He actually hit me up and says that he needs a G-body to do, and he wanted to actually ask me if I wanted to bring mine in for a paint correction. So what he does is he actually runs basically like clinics or schools for people to fly from pretty much all over the country, and I even think out of the country as well. And they come in for, you know, however long, a week or two, and they do basically classes with them. So he gets a car in, and he basically schools them and teaches them how to do paint corrections. So he asked me if I wanted to bring my G-body in, and he gives me a really good price, which is great because this car actually really needs it. So I am honestly really curious to see how well he was going to be able to get this paint, because as I take you around here where when the sun shines on it, you'll see a lot of imperfections in it, a lot of scratches, a lot of things like that. So I'm hoping a lot of it is just surface and on the clear coat and not much through the paint. So I'm hoping, but like he was saying, he was telling me it can only get better from here. So that is actually really true. It can only get better from here. Now, worst case, I think, well, I know the front clip's probably going to need to be repainted in its entirety, the door fill or the bumper fillers as well, and possibly the hood, just because looking at the hood, I'm not sure if it has like cracks in the clear coat or it's actually in the paint. I'm not sure. So, and I don't even know if it'll show on the camera, but when I flip this camera around, I'll show you guys. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. He's probably going to have it, 3, 4, 5 days. By the time I get it back, it'll be gone, maybe a week or so. So anyways, I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you guys what's up. All right, y'all, so here it is right here. This is my 1987 Buick Regal Limited Turbo. So Turbo Regal Limited, you guys. And this is actually a perfect shot. It's actually a really nice day today, really nice day. So, but this is a great shot because it'll show you what the paint looks like in the shade, and then it'll show you what it looks like in the sun. So as you guys see, I was mentioning the front clip needs to be repainted. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, somebody tried to delete this emblem here. I don't know why. They filled it in, and the goal was to eventually paint this car over time, but they never got to it. So I'm actually going to put that emblem back on if I can't. Well, I know I can, but these emblems are really expensive for this car. I think a whole kit for this car is something like, I don't know, $400 or $500 to get like all the badging and everything. It's really insane. So that's why I am waiting for the guy who sold me the car to send me a lot of the emblems and things, so I don't have to buy this. But man, I've been waiting months and months and months for this stuff, and he has not sent it yet. He keeps saying he does, and he will, and he will, and he will, and I haven't seen nothing. So just crossing my fingers that he will, but we'll see. So anyways, you guys, close-up look. Gonna have to probably repaint this, also repaint this, or just replace it in its entirety. The car is dirty, so you're not gonna really be able to kind of really tell, but if you get up close, you can kind of see cracks in the clear coat, I believe it is. I don't know, I'm not really a paint guy, but you can see how it had chips in it, and they used different color, like touch-up paint all the way around. So that's kind of actually all over the car. So I don't know what my buddy can really do about that. We'll see. You can kind of see in the shade here, I think one of these doors was like, oh yeah, there it is. You can see it perfectly. So I don't know what's going on here. From here down, it looks like the original color, and from here up, it looks like it might have been repainted. I'm not really sure. I know that they weren't great paint jobs from the factory, but I have never seen anything like that from the factory. So that's actually kind of odd. I'll take you around back here. Again, it's really dirty, so you're not gonna be able to see a whole lot, but again, touch-ups, touch-ups, touch-ups. I'm assuming those are touch-ups. I don't really know. But I mean, it's pretty straight for the most part. There is some deals here. You can see kind of how it's dented, and I think it's probably from them opening and closing the door and then opening and hitting things. There's no chips or anything, but there's definitely some dents, so I'm gonna have my buddy Chris actually fix that for me. And there's another little deal somewhere over here. Yeah, right here. I don't know what that's from. Looks like maybe somebody was trying to screw something in, maybe with a drill or something like that, like a screw, and then they went too far maybe, and the screw was too long. So that is just my thought, but I don't know. So hopefully maybe my buddy Chris can maybe knock that down too. But all in all, man, I mean, it's all there. This car is really, really straight, really clean. All the badges are gone. There's usually says Regal Limited there, so that's gone. But here's a good shot of it in the sun. Yeah, so you see that line? That is really odd, y'all. You can see right there. I have no idea what that is from. So I'm gonna try to make this portion of the video quick so I can get a good picture of it while the sun is still up, so I can send it to my guy and maybe see what his thoughts are on it. But I mean, all in all, it's pretty damn straight. There's a scratch here, but again, that kind of looks like it's catching a little bit, so that might be deep. But I mean, for the most part, it is what it is. Like he was saying, it's all up from here, and it can only get better. It can only get better. But these definitely gonna have to be repainted, maybe, unless he has some tricks where he can work his magic. I don't know. We'll see. And then I don't know, maybe he buffs this out and gets it really good, and maybe my buddy Chris can blend that in. I don't know, who knows? But I'm gonna take pictures of all of it now since the sun is out. But is it an extremely nice day today? It has to be about mid-50s right now, maybe even upper 50s. It's pretty warm right now, you guys. But yeah, so this is all what it looks like right now. So I definitely wanted to get you guys a video of the before. But I'm really excited about this car, you guys. I'm not gonna do much to it. I'll probably just do some minor suspension upgrades just to get the stance right. I'm gonna put all the trim back on. I'd like to get new wheels at some point. I already have the wheels in mind that I wanna get. I actually would like to tint the windows. I'm not a huge tint fan on old school cars, but the way I'm going with this car and how it has little accents of black, and the wheels that I want are also like billet aluminum and black, I think tinted windows all the way around, even the windshield, would look super, super dope. So anyways, y'all, get in the comments, let me know what you guys think. How do you think this paint correction will come out? And if I'm a little bit kind of blah right now, you guys, I've been working all day. I've been up since like 3:30 a.m. and a lot of stuff to do, and I got to get this footage for you guys as well. So I'm really just trying to do the best I can, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm really excited about this, y'all. So again, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. Stick with me. In the meantime, we're still gonna get working on the K5, trying to get that back on the road, and I'm actually going to bring my box Chevy back with me, and we're gonna get started on that soon. As shoot, man, we got an upcoming trip here in April that we're gonna take that box Chevy to, man. So a lot of good things coming, y'all. A lot of good things for the channel. So you guys stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the good stuff, y'all. Mr.